Hi guys, welcome to Debbie Graphics. So in this video I'll be showing you how to design this birthday flyer. So let's get started. So this is the first screen. So firstly we'll be changing the image size. So we'll click on the fourth icon here, then we'll click on the image size. So we'll be changing it to 1024. Okay, yes, this is how it's going to be. So the width is 1024. So now the next thing we'll be doing now is to bring in the background that we'll be using for this flyer. So I got the background from Pinterest. Okay, so here is the background. So we're going to increase the size. Yes, so we are going to be locking it. We are going to delete this, and yeah, we're going to be changing the background color also to white. Okay, so here we have it. So we'll be changing the color of this background now by using, we'll click on this middle icon, right? So we go to color filter. So we'll be changing the hue to minus something like 75 is okay. Yes, that is okay. So then we'll be bringing in the pictures I'll be using for the flyer. So I already removed the background of the picture using photo room app. Okay, so here we have the first picture. So we are going to enlarge it and bring it here like this. Then we'll bring in the second one. We are making use of two pictures, so we'll be bringing in the second one also. Okay, so here we have it. So the second one is here just like this. Let's increase the size a little bit, and then bring this here just like this. Okay, so we are going to lock the pictures. So bring in the other resources I'll be using for this flyer. So I got them from Pinterest. I removed their background using photo. So we'll be using this. So we just increase the size of, and then we are going to send it to back. Just bring it to the back of the pictures like this. Yeah, something like this. Then you see that the color is blue, so it's not going along with the color that we're actually using. So we are going to change the hue also to let's see, just to blend with the color that we are using. Okay, 97 is okay. All right, so we are going to increase the size more. Yeah, and just position it well enough, just like this. Okay, so we'll lock it also to avoid it moving when we are design. Okay, so we're bringing in some other resources also that we'll be using. We're making use of one particular blood resources. I blood it using Pinterest also. Okay, let me check where it is. Okay, so here it is. So we're making use of this. So we'll just be placing it randomly at the background just to beautify the back. So we'll be sending it to the back, so we'll copy, we'll send to the back. So we also copy, can also use it here like this. Then also copy, we can rotate it and also bring it here like this. Just something like this, just to just for the background, just something for the background. Okay, so let's move the pictures up a little bit. Okay, So now what we'll be doing now, okay, let's lock this one too. So we're bringing in the light flare, so, or lens flare, anyone, just to cover up those down parts. No, that's not what we want. Sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, so we'll be making use of this. So we are going to be changing the color also, just to match what we want. So we just change the color. Let's see. Okay, I think this is okay. 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 So what we just do now is just to copy as many as possible and just blur the down part here. That is what we are doing with this. Can you see? Just to cover up for that down part. Okay. So then you can copy. I'll copy one and return it back to its original color. Turn it back to its original color and then reduce the opacity. So that I just want the light reflection to be on the face of the picture. So when we edit it, it will bring out the beauty. Okay. So just lock there. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I guess this was also used around the place like this. Okay, so it's used here also. Okay, and somewhere around there like this. Okay, yeah. So yeah, this one, let's just, so that the background will not be too clumsy, yeah, let's just shift this one up like this. Okay, so now the next thing for us is to write our text. So we have happy. So let's check for fonts. I'll be using the font on my pixelLab. I'll be using this particular font here. So I'll change the color to white. And start to increase the size. Let's set to 45 and make it aligned. So we have, then we'll copy and edit. Then we have birthday. Okay, then we'll copy again and the name. So we have the name here. Can make it capital letter so that, let's make the rest also capital letter. Okay, this is actually not the font that was used in the original design though. Okay, so we are going to position it well. Okay, all right, so on top we are going to write Kote Debbie graphics. Okay, so we are going to change the font using another font. Let's see the font that we can use. Let's just use this one. Okay, change the color to black. And then we reduce the size very well. And then we'll space it, increase the spacing. Okay, something like this. Then we'll position it and bring it here just like this. Okay. Alright, so we are going to copy and edit it and write, the birthday wish. I think I already have it copied to my keyboard. Just the birthday wish, the Lord bless you. So we are using the same font, but we are going to reduce the spacing just like this. So we'll just align it. and then change the color to white. Okay, yes. So the next thing now is the date of the birthday celebration. Okay, so we'll be creating a circle shape. Yeah, so we'll just reduce the size a little bit. Yeah, increase the size. Okay, so now the next, I did something concerning this the circle shape, right? So what I did was, let's just pay close attention. So I got a circle shape, right? So then I got another one. So this one we have a color, and this one just like this inside of it. So I merged the two together. Okay, and then I erase the color. Okay, so after I erase the color, I did another thing. I brought in another shape just like this. I brought another shape like this, merge it together again. Okay, and then I erase the color again. So this is what I have at the end of the day. So I'll just reduce the size and bring it to this that I've done. So I'll just position it very well over this, and then change the color to white. So I hope you understand what I did here. So we'll just copy this text, and then we are going to write the date. So we have 18th of March. Okay, so we are going to position it down here. Okay, so we change the color to black, and then we'll bring it here just like this. Alright, so you can just do some little adjustment to the flyer and make sure they are aligned. So let's move this a little bit to the middle to make sure they are aligned. Okay, so just check for any other corrections that you need to make. And yeah, this is all about this flyer. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to save it. Save your image, save it the dimension in ultra, and save to your phone gallery. So after it has been successfully saved to your phone storage, then we'll have to edit it to enhance it and bring out the beauty more. So for this particular flyer, we'll be using Lightroom. There are many editing apps that you can use. You can use Snapseed, you can use Remini, you can use PixArt, but for this one we'll be making use of Lightroom. So this is our design that we just did from pixelLab. So we'll click on it and bring it in, then we'll allow it to load, then we'll click on edit. So we'll go to details. We are going to sharpen it, the radius, the detail also. Okay, so the noise, will reduce the noise, and the color noise also. Yes. Okay, so we'll go to effects, the texture. Okay, let's see the clarity. Okay, so we don't need the clarity. Okay, so all what we just need is just the texture here. So let's move to the next one. The lights, just adjust them little by little. Just check their effect on the pictures, and then the white. Okay, all right, then we'll go to vibrance. Okay, all right, then the tint, let's see. Okay, this tint actually brings out the color more. Can you see it? So then we give it some saturation. So let's reduce the vibrance a little bit. It's looking oversaturated. Don't forget, don't over edit your designs. Okay, so let's just reduce it a little bit. Okay, so this is what we have after we edited. So let's check the previous one before editing. This is the flyer before editing, and this is it after editing. So you click on the three dots up here, and you can also color grade it. You can color grade it. You see, can color grade it. So after that, you click on the three dots up here, and you click on save copy to the device. So the edited version will be saved to your phone storage. So that is all about the designing of this flyer from scratch, right from our pixelLab, and bringing it to our Lightroom for editing. So I hope you understand this video, and I hope you gain something. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.